Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to be putting in some Milwaukee garage shelf units. Well, first, we'll see if we can find a stud in the wall with my stud finder. Now that we found the stud, we'll mark it. As luck would have it, my studs are not 16 inches apart. To accommodate this board, it is measured 16 inches. So I had to find where the studs were exactly. So I knew where this one was because the stud finder worked, okay? But 16 inches apart, I wasn't finding it. So I just kind of tapped, and I know the sound a little bit, and I did find one right there. That's about 18 inches apart. And the next one after that was 16 inches apart from the 18 inch, but it's too far. It's not going to be on this board here. So we're going to use toggle bolts to connect this ones that we don't have a stud for. We'll put the toggle bolts in there. This one. All right, so we got that in there. And the other one down here. Get the two toggle bolts in there. Now we'll just tighten this up and level it off. So we've got the main piece up right there, and now we've got this other little short extension, okay? This is not going to hit a stud either, so we're going to use the toggle bolts. And for those who might not know what a toggle bolt is something that has these little toggles on them, and when you push it through the drywall, they open up, and when you tighten up, they grab the drywall from the back side and keep this very, very tight. That's not going to go anywhere. So I just figured I'd give you that explanation. So this right here, this kind of slides right in there, and then we put the toggle bolts in. So we've got the back panels on for this Milwaukee storage system. We've got the toggle bolts here and the toggle bolts here, and then we've got the stud connection right here. It's kind of a different kind of system here. This actually isn't for me, it's for my son-in-law, and he ordered it up, and I said, yeah, I'll help you put it in. So anyhow, they kind of just snap up there. And you've got all kinds of different little variations that you can use to store your stuff. Again, they snap in like that, and then on these you have to twist this, okay? The bigger one you don't. And they click, and then of course you've got right here, same thing. They just fit back there, and then you just turn it like that. And my son-in-law, he bought this variation here. Again, they just snap in there, and then you turn that. And it holds it pretty good. Everything here is, like I say, studded to the wall or with the toggle bolts. And there's all kinds of variations. You can make these things gigantic. I personally don't have one of these at home. I've got a different way I organize my tools and my stuff. But these are okay. I mean, I think they'll work out real well. If you like this video, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, just push subscribe. Thanks for watching.